Hey there, creative souls, today I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of generating adorable cartoon portrait images of boys using the magic of AI. Get ready to add some extra cuteness to your art collection. Let's kick things off by opening up your Chrome browser. Type Styler AI into the search bar and hit enter to begin our journey. Once on the Styler AI website, locate and click on the new project. Choose Portrait Canvas. Click on the Text to Image feature. Now it's time to let your imagination run wild. Use the provided text box to describe the adorable cartoon boy portrait you want to create. A kid with big eyes wearing yellow and black hoodie in a street. Lights in the background. Now choose a style. Click Innocent Cutie. Click on the Stylize button to let the AI work its magic. And transform your description into a charming cartoon portrait image. Take a moment to admire the cuteness overload. Review the generated image and make any tweaks or adjustments to perfect your cartoon boy portrait. Once you're satisfied with the result, select all the images and click on the Place on Canvas. Select all the images and click on the Export button to save your adorable creation. Finally, download your masterpiece to your computer, and there you have it, folks, with the help of AI. You've just created a delightful cartoon portrait of a cute boy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to continue exploring the endless possibilities of AI-generated art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, keep creating and spreading joy through your art.